Hello everyone, welcome to Infinite Curiosity. Today, we're not just talking about travel, we're talking about making your dream trips a reality without breaking the bank. We're going deep on budget travel tips that'll have you exploring the world without draining your bank account. So, grab your notebook, ditch those overpriced travel agent brochures, and let's get started. Alright, first things first, planning. It's the cornerstone of any successful budget trip. I know spontaneity is awesome. The thrill of the unknown, the excitement of last-minute decisions. But trust me on this, a little planning goes a long way, especially when you're on a budget. It's not just about saving money, but also about maximizing your experience. We're talking about booking those flights and accommodations in advance. This can save you a significant amount of money and stress. Don't wait till the last minute. That's when prices skyrocket. Airlines and hotels often hike up their rates as the date approaches. And don't just jump on the first deal you see. Take your time to explore different options. This is where those comparison websites come in. They can be a lifesaver, offering a range of prices and options. Yeah, you know the ones. Websites and apps that let you compare flights, hotels, and even car rentals. Spend the time, compare prices, and watch those savings add up. It might seem tedious, but the payoff is worth it. You'll have more money to spend on experiences, food, and souvenirs. So plan ahead and make your budget travel dreams a reality. Okay, let's talk peak season. You know, those times when everyone and their mother decides to travel. It's like the whole world has the same idea at the same time. Airports are packed, beaches are swarming, and every tourist spot is bustling with people. It's like a global convention of travelers. Yeah, avoid those times like the plague. Seriously, why put yourself through the hassle of long lines and crowded spaces? Think about it. Everyone wants to go when the weather's perfect. But that also means airlines and hotels know they can jack up the prices. They see the demand and they capitalize on it. So, be a rebel, be different. Travel during the off-season. Embrace the unexpected. Sure, the weather might not be picture perfect, but the experience will be uniquely yours. You'll be amazed by how much you can save. Plus, fewer crowds mean you can actually experience the place without being stuck in a sea of selfie sticks. Imagine having a historic site almost to yourself, or taking a photo without waiting for people to move out of the frame. And let's not forget the local charm. Off-peak travel often means you get to see a more authentic side of your destination. Cozy cafes, local markets, and even off-season festivals that you might otherwise miss. You'll have more opportunities to interact with locals, enjoy regional cuisine, and explore hidden gems that aren't overrun by tourists. It's a win-win situation. So next time you're planning a trip, think about going off-peak. Not only will you save money, but you'll also have a richer, more relaxed travel experience. Outsmart the crowds and make your journey truly memorable. Now, let's ditch those overpriced taxis and rental cars, shall we? Public transportation, my friends, is where it's at. Think about it. You're in a new city, a new country. Why not experience it like a local? Hop on a bus, navigate the subway system. It's an adventure in itself. Plus, it's way cheaper than taxis. And you won't get hit with those hidden rental car fees. Trust me, your wallet will thank you. Alright, let's talk food. I know those fancy tourist restaurants look tempting with their glitzy exteriors and gourmet dishes, but let's be real, they're overpriced and often not even that good. You end up paying a premium for the ambience and the location rather than the quality of the food itself. And honestly, who wants to spend their travel budget on mediocre meals? Instead, ditch the tourist traps and eat where the locals eat. These hidden gems are often tucked away in side streets or bustling neighborhoods, away from the main tourist attractions. They might not have the flashiest signs or the most Instagrammable interiors, but what they do have is authenticity and flavor. Hit up those street food stalls, explore the local markets. These places are the heart and soul of a city's culinary scene. You'll find a variety of dishes that are not only delicious, but also tell a story about the local culture and traditions. From savory snacks to sweet treats, there's something for everyone. Not only will you get to taste the real deal, but you'll also save a ton of money. Street food and local eateries are usually much more affordable than touristy restaurants. This means you can try a wider variety of dishes without breaking the bank. Plus, the portions are often more generous, giving you more bang for your buck. Plus, it's a great way to immerse yourself in the culture and maybe even make some new friends along the way. Sharing a meal with locals can lead to interesting conversations and a deeper understanding of the place you're visiting. So next time you're traveling, skip the tourist traps and eat like a local. Your taste buds and your wallet will thank you. Finally, let's talk about free activities. You'd be surprised how many cities offer amazing free things to do. We're talking free walking tours, museums with free admission days, parks, hikes, the list goes on. Do your research, check out local blogs and websites, and plan your itinerary around these free activities. You'll get to experience the best of what the city has to offer without spending a dime. Remember, adventure doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag. Alright, guys, there you have it. Top budget travel tips to help you see the world without emptying your wallet. Remember, traveling doesn't have to be expensive. With a little planning and these simple tips, you can make your travel dreams a reality. So pack your bags, book that ticket, and get out there. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Safe travels. Have a great night or day until next time.